Okay, I did a straight pour and it started looking interesting, so I decided to videotape it. I am having a bad day. My cat passed last night, so I'm just trying to do something. I wasn't in the mood for a video. Not like my videos are great anyway. But this looks weird. So I'm rolling over it. I don't know. Hold on, let me play with this. I don't want to lose that. I got leftover my white mixed with the enamel. I don't want to roll over it. Let me go slow. Yeah, so my poor cat, Floki, he was an awesome cat. He was only about 3.5 years old. He ended up getting sprayed by a skunk last night around 10 p.m. I called the vet and they gave me a recipe to use to shower him and stuff. Well, he ended up freaking out in the shower and acting weird and he couldn't breathe right, so I rushed him to the vet. And in the car, he ended up gasping for breath, and I ended up doing CPR on a cat spray with skunk, so my mouth still tastes like skunk. So we ended up going to the vet, and they said that he had an underlying heart condition of some sort, and that's what did it. So the stress of me trying to fix my baby, he passed, so in my head, I feel like I killed him. And he was an awesome cat. He ate dinner with me every night at the table. He had his own chair. He ended up, he slept with me. He would wake me up in the morning by pulling my hair or sitting on my head. He'd greet you like a dog. So I'm just very emotional today, and I've been crying my brains out. I had my eye surgery 2 weeks ago to refix my shunt for my glaucoma, and by me doing all this crying, my eyes all blurry again. So I figured I'd come down here and throw some shit on a canvas. So I think I'm gonna leave it like that and just blacken that up. Interesting. So I wasn't intending on talking about my pity story, but I'm sad, I'm depressed. All right, I'm just gonna pour black on the corners. I will post a video when it's dry. I'll bring you down right now. Hold on. I got a new tripod, so I gotta figure it out. Okay. Weird, right? That's a cool cell there. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave her. She's cool. She's weird looking. Look at all these. Now, the only thing that's in my mixture is Liquitex, Floetrol, and water. No silicone. And I have them on a thick side. So we'll see what happens. Peace.